Hello, everyone. I'm Ronnie. I work for Plan to Eat. I work on the marketing and the customer support teams. And today I just want to give you a quick overview of how to get started with your Plan to Eat account, what you can do to just get started right away. So, when you first log into your Plan to Eat account, you are going to see this screen here. Our program does not start with any recipes in the account because we want you to be able to fill up your recipe book with the recipes that work for you. So some of our options here we can clip recipes from the web, we can import recipes from a URL, add a recipe by hand, or you can import a bulk file from other recipe apps. We also have existing recipes within Plan to Eat. So while I said that we don't provide recipes, we do actually have a few ways that we have given you recipes. So we have done some challenges in the past. So you can go to the challenge recipes, which you'll also find over here on this sidebar. You can go to the challenges. And we have friends, which is where the Plan to Eat blog recipes are. So if you found us from the Plan to Eat blog and you were interested in one of those blog recipes, you'll be able to find that over here in your friends tab. But I'm going to show you how to start by clipping recipes from the web because it is by far the easiest way to add recipes to Plan to Eat. So when you get started, you can just click on this. It is going to take you to this separate page. This is our help article that helps you learn how to use the recipe clipper. So to install the recipe clipper, all you have to do is take this button right here that says add to PTE, and you are just going to drop it in your favorites bar up here. You'll see that it was added right over here in my favorites bar. So this is connected to the Plan to Eat account that I was already logged into. So if you ever log out of your Plan to Eat account and then go try to use the recipe clipper on a website, you will need to log back in. So I already have a recipe here from Sarah Haas that I would like to import into my account. So just on this recipe site, I literally don't have to do anything except for click the add to PTE button over here. And you're going to see that it's going to have this import window over here, and here is the recipe imported. Now this is just a draft version of the recipe that we just imported. So you can scroll through here, you can see all of these areas, all are editable. You can change the course, cuisine, made ingredient, you can add tags, all of that stuff. And when you have made any necessary changes, you just want to click on this save recipe button up here at the top. And there's your saved recipe. You'll be able to go back over here to your recipe book, and we will just refresh the page. And voila, you will see that we have a recipe already in here into our account. So then, if you would like to plan this recipe on your meal planner, you can just simply click on this three-dot menu. You can go to Add to Planner, and then you can select a date to add it to, select breakfast, lunch, or dinner, add it, and it will be added to your planner as it says here in this little note. So then we can go over here to our planner, and you'll see that right there, that's the recipe that we added. We also have this little note over here that lets us know that we can drag recipes onto the planner. So if you want to either plan this recipe another time, or you would just like to plan, if you have extra recipes that you want to add to the planner, you can use this little arrow here will tell you, look, you can drag recipe to planner. So then you can just take it, drag it, pop it onto your meal planner. It is that easy. And when you have this whole thing filled up with recipes over here, it's super simple to just drag and drop your recipes over here. We also have the filter options here on the planner. So you can use any of the filter options here. And then when you scroll down, the recipes that you filtered out will be down at the bottom that you can simply drag and drop over. So now I want to show you that since we have this planned on our planner, I want to show you how to make the shopping list out of that recipe. So you click on the shop tab up at the top. The shopping list is already set here for the next 7 days, but you could pick either next 2 weeks, this week, today, or you can choose a custom range. And when you go to a custom range, you'll have the option to choose your date range here, and then you can save it. And you'll see that that updates so that we only have one of the bagel recipes showing up here, but all of the ingredients are showing up. So we have olive oil, capers, all these things. You can see that this baguette is showing up without a category. And if you want to put that into a category, you can click on this edit item pencil, in which you can edit the item and update the category. and there it is under the bakery. So those are the basic steps for getting started with your Plan to Eat account. If you have any questions, email us at help@plantoeat.com. I or one of my colleagues will respond to your email. And that's all for today. Thanks for watching.